This section is dedicated to the jog movement or the manual control of the machine, enabling the operator to precisely maneuver the equipment by utilizing these designated buttons. In its desired direction, X positive, Y positive, X negative, Y negative, and Z positive and negative. The keys in these four corners also control two-axis movement, corresponding to the keys positioned right beside them. There are three motion modes for the cutter interface. Continuous motion indicated by a solid line, step motion indicated by a dashed line, and displace reference motion, which is displayed like this. In continuous movement mode, the operation works like this. You essentially, for the entire duration that you press and hold the jog button, the machine will continue to move, and the very moment you lift your hand off, the machine will immediately come to a complete stop. The movement speed of this device is determined by the numerical values that are listed in this V column, which specifically represents velocity. And this scroll in turn is essentially a percentage of the number that is displayed right here. We have the device's instantaneous speed here. Now if we set this to 100% and move it, you'll see the velocity is 100%. If we set it to 60, you'll see the velocity becomes 60. So this scroll also accounts for a percentage of the speed here. The second mode is the step mode, where the device with each click on the jog keys moves by the amount of the number written in the L, meaning length section. Now, if you pay close attention to the coordinate box right here, you'll observe that every time I press the X plus key, the device moves exactly 10 millimeters. Similarly, if I press the Y plus key, it moves 10 millimeters, and if I press the Y minus key, it will move 10 millimeters in the opposite direction. The third state is the displaced reference states. This mode actually works in such a way that to the same extent you move the axis in this state, your reference point also shifts along with it. If you pay close attention, for example, observe the coordinates of the y-axis. I'm moving the y-axis now. It moves a certain amount. When I release the jog key, its value reverts to the previous amount. This means the reference point has also shifted by the amount I moved. These are the three movement modes.